Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 30th, and this is my analysis for gold. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out the free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So anyways, on gold, I mean, it stayed very sideways yesterday. I'm going to actually say pretty much the same thing I said yesterday, which is I think that it's going to potentially go up to at least a 50 to 61%. I think this is either like a WXY or some sort of a regular flat because it kind of looks like it made three waves up. It's almost like it's three waves up, three waves down, and then potentially one, two, three waves up for like a WXY. So I definitely think the first impulsive move down right here is an A. I definitely think we're in a crescent right now that is probably a wave B, but it could be a wave one and it could be a wave two. Luckily, we trade that exactly the same, whether it's an A or one or whether it's a B or a two. I definitely think that we're in a crescent. The question is how this crescent is going to play out. You know, it could be a WXY, it could be some sort of ABCDE triangle, could be a WXYXZ. You know, it could be kind of a flat, it could be a traditional ABC crescent. There's many different ways that crescents can play out. I personally would much prefer to just wait for a Fibonacci bounce, wait for the engulfing move down, and then try to take the short because that would be the end of a crescent and the beginning of a brand new downtrend. So that would be a much more reliable trade in my eyes for either a wave C or a wave three. But if you are trading the very short time frames, which I think a lot of people are on gold, then you definitely could be looking for longs while this wave two or wave B plays out. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.